Alright guys, so we're dipping into our NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is honestly the perfect beginner's eyeshadow palette and the perfect palette for a soft glam. So I'm starting with my orange shade. You guys know orange is the perfect shade for us brown skin chocolate girls. This is the perfect transition color, so I'm focusing that right above my natural crease, and I'm using circular motions and windshield wiper motions at the same time to blend out the color. You want to make sure that that color does show in the final look. So here's me just speeding it up. So like I said, just circular motions and windshield wiper motions to blend it out, and you want to keep dipping back in the palette until you get that color payoff. And I do like to focus the color more on the outer ends because I like the outer ends to be more defined. So now I'm taking a tapered blending brush and we're going to dip into that brown shade, and we're putting that directly into the crease. And I like to start off on the outer end. Like I said, I like the outer end to be more defined and just pop more than the crease. So I'm really focusing that dark brown right on the outer end and kind of creating a V shape to it as well. And as you guys could see, it's just all I'm doing is moving my brush in circular motions. And you also want to keep dipping back in to get the color payout. And here I'm just blending the two colors together. Like I said, guys, you always want to keep going back into your palette to make sure that both shades blend seamlessly together. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I do have a cut crease tutorial, guys. By now, y'all should get it. Like, you guys should be cut crease pros based on the amount of cut crease videos I put out. Cut creases are like my favorite eyeshadow looks to do. So, and I feel like soft glam, like you need to cut your crease. So here I am just cutting my crease, and this is called a half cut crease because I don't go all the way through with it. Let me know if you guys are practicing. I like to hear from you guys. Follow me on Instagram, message me. I love seeing you guys DMs. So now we're going to take a flat brush and we're going to dip into that white shade. And this is a very chalky shade, white. So you want to keep dipping into that palette just to get the color payoff. And as you guys could see, I keep dipping into the palette. It's not like a shimmer shade where you don't really need to keep dipping in, and with this you have to, because you need that white to really show and pop on your lids. So, and that's exactly why I cut my crease as well. So now I'm taking that blending brush that I used for my crease, and we're just going to blend out that brown. I did dip into my palette to add a bit of the color to it, but I made sure to tap off the excess so that the brown wasn't too harsh. So now we're going to go ahead and create a natural wing liner, guys. I do believe I have a wing liner tutorial on my channel. I think I want to do an updated version though. Here I'm using my Quo. This is actually a new product by Quo. They rebranded their whole line. So this is, I believe, their Precision Liquid Liner. I'll leave all of the information in the description box below so you guys can see. But I am just taking my time. Honestly, guys, liner is not my strong suit. I feel like I have a lot more work to do. So I made sure to show you guys exactly how I do my liner. So this is it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. We're going to just go ahead and just speed that up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, and I did get a comment earlier from a subscriber asking why I don't show how I put on my lashes. So here is me showing you guys how I put on my lashes, and of course I do have a up close and personal eyelash tutorial on how I apply them. Let me know what you guys thought about that. and make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up as well, guys. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. I'm trying to get up there, guys. So all right, so now I'm just blending my lashes with the falsies. I'm just applying some mascara. All right, I'm gonna dip back into the brown shade and the orange shade, and we're gonna brush those two on my bottom lash lines. But first, I'm going to just apply some black liner to my waterline. And then you want to start off with the brown shade first, so we're just basically going in reverse. So the brown shade first, and then we're gonna diffuse it with the orange shade. And I did use the same brush for it as well. And then we're just gonna add our mascara to our bottom lashes, guys, and that is it for this look. It is very easy and simple. Oh, here I am just applying it to my brow bone. I like to do this. I feel like it just finishes up the look. I never used to do it, but now I feel like whenever I do an eyeshadow look, I have to add this step in. So you just want to dip into a nice shimmer shade and just apply it to the arch of your brows. And here I'm just blending it out and just making sure that it flows seamlessly with the rest of the eyeshadow. But that is about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of these eyeshadow tutorials in the comment section below. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.